One topic that we should talk about in algebra is how do you know if something is a function? We talked about function notation and things in another video. But the idea of a function really is that every time I give you an input, you should be able to put that input into your function and get an output. So something like, f of x is equal to 4x plus 1. If I say, well, what's f of 3? You just say, well, that's just 4 times 3 plus 1. That's 13. That's it. I put in an input of 3, and that led to the output of 13. Every x you put in should only lead to one y. So let me give you some examples of something that wouldn't be functions. Let's say we were given a table of values, x's and y's, like that. And we said, okay, when x is 0, y is 4. When x is 1, y is negative 3. When x is 2, y is 7. When x is 1, negative 4. Well, right here you should notice right away, well, we have an answer. When we put 1 in for x, we get negative 3, and then down here they say, no, you might get negative 4. Well, that means that this is not a function, because an input should lead to one answer. There shouldn't be the option of an input leading to two different answers. Let me show you graphically an example. Like that. So here, if I were to pick an x, let's just say I pick this x right here, whatever it is, and I say, well, that x leads to this y value, but it also leads to this y value. So that one x led to two different y's. This is not a function. Anytime you see an x leading to two different answers, right away, it's not a function. A way to visualize this is often referred to as the vertical line test. And let me explain real quick what that looks like. If I had a function, let's draw another thing real quick that I hope we can easily see is not going to be a function, something like this. You can see if I pick an x, that leads to two different y's. The idea of the vertical line test is if you draw a vertical line through your graph, like that, or like that, any vertical line, and it hits your graph more than once. So you can see, it hit it here, and here, or I should say here and here, or here and here, or here and here and here. If it hits it more than once, it's not a function, because that proves that an input led to two or more outputs. So if your line, your vertical line, hits more than one time, line hits greater than one time, it's not a function. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more math help.